Understanding Get a Big Head, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, get a big head. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to get a big head. Get a big head is an idiomatic expression in English. It doesn't literally mean that someone's head becomes larger. Instead, it's used metaphorically to describe someone who becomes overly proud or arrogant, especially because of their success or achievements. It's important to note that this phrase often carries a negative connotation, suggesting that the pride is excessive or unwarranted. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. Ever since he won the award, he's gotten a big head and thinks he's better than everyone else. Be careful not to get a big head just because you got the highest score on the test. In these sentences, get a big head is used to describe someone acting arrogantly after experiencing success. There are several phrases and words in English that convey a similar meaning to get a big head. These include become conceited, swell-headed, full of oneself. Understanding these synonyms can help you recognize this concept in different contexts. It's important to use this phrase correctly. Remember, it's usually used in informal settings and might not be appropriate for formal or professional contexts. Also, since it has a negative implication, it should be used carefully to avoid offending someone. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of get a big head. Remember, idioms like this are a great way to add flavor to your English and understand native speakers better. Keep practicing, and don't get a big head about your English skills. There's always more to learn. See you in the next video.